What is up, everybody? So, today we are playing Slime Rancher. So, I know it's been a while. I know this game's been out for a long time, but yeah. Yeah, since it's my first playthrough, I'll just keep it like this. Never turn my back on a chicken. Cool. 1,000 light years away from Earth, planet known as the Far Range. Matrix LaBelle begins her first day as a Slime Rancher. Okay. Oh. Hold shift to sprint. Get some of these guys in. Whee! That. Cool. Well, let's go exploring. Oh, come here, big slime. I need you for my farm. Come here, slimy guys. Here's some more carrots. Oh, what's this? Pink plort. Let me get some more carrots. Think there's a pogo fruit? What is a pink plort? Huh? Wait, what's this? Chickadoo. Okay, we'll put you over there. I wonder what this plort thing is. I have mail. Okay. What's this? Sells for 12 money. What's this? E to activate. Oh, plort market. Oh. Does it go in here? Say a garden. Pogo fruit. Wonder if we can get more land, or if we just have to swap it out. And then, yeah, let's not make a carrot garden. Ooh, star mail. Visit the ranch house. Okay. Let's go ahead and visit the ranch house. Star mail. Save for a whole year. 7Z puts you in a pod. Far range like. Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on the ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, Bee. If anyone can make it out there, it's you. Mrs. LaBelle, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a Slime Rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. Until you get more familiar with surroundings, traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, you should require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier. The 7Z Corporation will be pleased to provide you with them from inside your house. Cool. Alright, let's sleep until morning. Alright, fresh new start. Ranch. Ooh, okay. I wonder, can you garden? Oh, I'm too broke. Okay, well, farm market. Oh, okay. Okay, we've got some carrots. Chickens. They just about Let me feed these guys. I'm not gonna feed them my Uh-oh. Some of the slimes have escaped. That's not good. Get back in here. You two, get back in. I wonder if you can jump on these slimes. Wait, you can? Can you do like a weird... So I think you can jump on them. Right? Oh yeah, just a little bit. I don't know what that's gonna be useful for, but anyway. Pink plorts. Hi, little guy. Into the coop. Oh, that was a plort, not a slime. Well, oh, no, I don't mean to shoot the plort. There you go. Where did I shoot that other plort, dude? There's it. Alright. You guys don't want to be fed? Okay, well, there's some food in there if you want to eat. Ooh, what's this? Jetpack, water tank, cart module, power core, tank booster. Cool, I think I might want to get the jetpack. I don't know if we'll be able to get enough for it, though. Boom! Money, 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 money! Woo! Alright. Anyway. Ooh, we got another plort. We got a plort. Okay. Ooh, more plorts. Let me feed this guy a cocoa fruit. Mr. Pink Slime? No plort? Okay. Alright. Whee! Oh, nice aim. I missed. Okay. Come here, Pink Plort. Uh-oh. There we go. Wow. Right next to it. There we go. These guys have been fed? I don't know. Well, time for you guys to be fed today. Alright, give me your plorts. I need these plorts. Sorry, guys. Did I already feed you? Okay, you've already been fed. I'm like getting boosted out by these slimes. Oh, they all missed. Ooh, yay! We can afford a jetpack. Wait, there's 2 more plorts over here. Oh, 4. Come here, plort. There we go. Alright, there's 2 more coins. Think we can buy a jetpack or tank booster? I feel like a tank booster would be more useful, Then I could get more stuff. Click feed a carrot. And no one wants to eat it, I guess. I guess no one's eating it. So, coop. You know, if we had enough, I would probably get that. But let's go exploring, you know. Hi, guys. Ooh, what's this? An H-E. Hobson's Wilgers, Ranch Explorer. Rancher for a few years and I can remember. Cool. Pause here if you want to read this. Anyway, time to go exploring. I wonder, since we bought a jet. Oh, wait, no, we bought extra storage, yeah. Oh? Ooh, plort. Give me that plort. Give me that plort. Alright, maybe there are other types. I mean, I have some pogo fruit. Is this what I think it is? New types of slime? Rock slime? Diet veggie? Hold up. Rock slime. Don't need a pink plort now. But I will feed this guy. Oh, veggie. Tabby slime. Wait. Largo slime. Oh, let me get some more tabby slimes and some big plorts. Ooh, there's a tunnel here. Maybe we'll explore that later, but for now, let's get back. Oh, it's the map. Wonder what this area is. Cool. Let me get some of these tabs. Alright, where is our base? Ooh, Starman. Let's go to the ranch house. There's some pogo fruits. This guy looks cute. Problem is, it's kind of blocking my vision. Oh, I'm out of stamina. Well, you regen stamina quickly, but you also lose it quickly. Oh! Oh my gosh! He got one. Come on. No. Go in. Yeah! Let me deposit some tabby and rock slimes. Oh, someone ate something. Whoa, what's boop? Ooh, tabby plort. Uh-oh. Tabby slime. Tabby slime. Let's get in there. Thank you. Did a plort happen? Oh, wait, no, they're breeding. They're breeding. Tabby slime. No! Tabby slime. Okay, we need different corrals. Yeah, because they keep breeding. No! Alright, yeah, let's let him do that. You know, for now, just, like, deposit these guys over here. This is the pink slime corral. Alright, are there any plorts? No? Okay, let me feed some of these guys so I can get another corral. Hi, tabby slime. Rock slime, do you eat pogo fruits? No? Okay. Alright. Alright, well, we got some more pink plorts. Can't necessarily buy... Can you sell pogo fruits? Can you sell pogo fruits? No? I'm gonna have to try to make some money, so... Yeah. Alright, give me a plort. Hi, have you eaten? No, you have not. Plort. Plorts, thank you. Super close. Can I feed you with the pogo fruit? No, I can't feed you with pogo fruits. Whee! What are you? The tar. Off. Oh! Oh, wait, they damaged me! Get out of here! No. First of all, just like... But... Tars. Ow. Get out! Get out! That's not good. Tar slimes are infesting my ranch. I heard rock slimes in the... Why are so much tar slimes here? No, get out of my ranch. Get out. No. No, he's eating my slimes. Get out. Uh-oh. It's getting dark. I should probably sleep and check my star mail. Thora West. Pause here if you want to read this. Okay. Please tell me this TARS disappeared here today. Please? Okay. Wait, hi Rock Slime, will you eat the carrots? He ate the carrots. Rock. Well, let me sell these pink plorts. Rock plort sells for $2.20. No, my slimes. Where are my tabby? Where's my tabby? Oh, I'm naturally getting plorts. And what? Uh-oh. Ah! No! Is he on my house? How do I get up here? Mr. Rock Slime. Pink rock plort. You know what? Here, let me shove you down with that. Tried to get him, like, stuck over there. Okay, you know what? You get to live over there now. This tabby plort. Do I have any tabby slimes left around here? Yeah, there's a tabby slime. Tabby slime. And then I guess we can deploy the pogo fruits out for now. See if anyone eats those. Because we need a rock slime. I think my last rock slime went somewhere. I have a tabby slime in my inventory. Alright, let me build a corral for tabbies. I have some more plorts to sell, so let me sell these plorts. So, let's get some more tabby slimes. I think some more tabby slimes would do me good. Pink plort just happened now. Alright, well this is where I found the tabby slimes before, so... Ooh, rock roots. Ooh, rock plort. Let me get some tabby slimes. Can we get a rock slime? No, not the hens. We might need some tabby plorts. There's a bunch of pink parts. Yeah, we can take these. Dash boots. Cool. Don't know if I'll use those. Is that a tabby plort? Ow, what is damaging me? This guy? Are you damaging me? Oh! Okay, let's go explore this tunnel. You know what? Honestly, oh, ow, wait, oh, these guys do damage to me. Oh, I get it, because they're spiky. Whee! Ow, they keep attacking. Well, at least we don't have any cars. Ow, I need to stop walking. What's this? There are so much new things to explore. So much new things to find. But honestly, I think that's where we're gonna leave it off for today. So see you guys in the next one. Bye!